Welcome to the world of luxury, where Donna Karan handbags begin their journey. Today, we take you inside a factory where premium ladies' handbags are made. Donna Karan represents elegance, precision, and modern fashion.
Every handbag is crafted through a carefully controlled process. Let us begin from the very first step. Only high-quality leather and materials are selected.
Each piece is inspected for softness, strength, and finish.
Colors are carefully matched to meet brand standards.
Thickness is measured for perfect durability. Only flawless material moves forward. Quality approval ensures premium results. Now the shaping process begins. Advanced machines cut leather with extreme precision. Each panel follows a digital design pattern.
Perfect cuts create a strong foundation.
Every part is sorted for assembly.
Organization prevents even the smallest mistake.
Inner lining is cut with equal care.
Hardware components are prepared separately.
Now, assembly begins. Expert stitching brings the handbag to life. Precision stitching ensures long-lasting quality.
Human skill remains essential.
Comfort and beauty start from the inside.
Every angle is perfectly shaped. Strong handles provide style and strength. Brand identity is added with care. The handbag begins to take form. Every stitch is examined.
Edges are painted for a premium finish.
Proper drying ensures durability.
Heat and pressure perfect the form. Final details are completed.
The handbag is nearly complete.
Quality control is the heart of luxury.
Functionality is carefully tested.
Comfort is essential. Strength testing ensures reliability.
Color consistency is verified.
Only perfection moves forward. Approval marks excellence.
Each bag is cleaned by hand.
Now ready for packaging. Packaging reflects the brand's class.
Protection ensures long-lasting beauty.
Boxes are assembled with precision.
Luxury presentation matters.
Each bag is tracked globally. Ready for global shipment.
Distribution begins here. Thousands shipped worldwide.
From factory to fashion stores. The journey continues.
Each handbag tells a story.
A blend of design and craftsmanship.
Made for modern women. Donna Karan. Designed with purpose.
Thank you for watching.